What's good, YouTube? What's poppin', baby? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer, and we back up in this thing with another one, man. Today we gonna be reviewing this Zoom Fly Off-White, you dig, in that pink colorway, man. Today we got something special, man. I got some help, you know what I'm saying? My boy Nico in the building, you know what I'm saying? He gonna be helping me, reviewing, man. He blessed me with the shoes so I can review for you guys today on the channel, you know what I'm saying? We gonna probably jump right into the detailed review, man. Just kind of get those pleasantries out the way, man. Y'all probably seen quite a few of these reviews by now, but all content is good time content on this channel. You already know, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we probably gonna jump right into that review. But before we do that, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. Join the Flu Game Nation, you know what I'm saying? And we gonna keep it rocking just like that. Let's get it, gang, right into that detailed review. All right, so in this thing, we're gonna get into an in-depth look at the shoe. So of course, just like any off-white, box you've ever seen, you got the kind of, embossed swoosh or Jordan or whatever logo, whatever, depending on the type of shoe it is, on the top of the box, and then raised and kind of embossed printing. You got the standard, what we come to know and love, off-white paper. With all those off-white / Nike graphics. And then getting into this guy, the shoe. Nike Zoom Fly in the pink colorway. That's something you gotta go over that again. Of course, you do got these kind of black laces, but kind of like a hot pink shoelace. Kind of fun on that thing. But Zoom Flies, man. Pretty easy, pretty standard. No need to go super in depth. You got the translucent, kind of upper with the pink fused underlays, going throughout the shoe. You got that bright, hot pink, infrared-ish kind of swoosh stitched over there. Of course, the standard orange tag that you come to love on anything that represents off-white. You got that quotation mark foam, kind of printed on the shoe, which you really haven't really seen in this way since, you kind of only get these in like the OG 10s, the Jordans, the Prestos, and the Air Force Ones, I believe. And the last Converses didn't really quite have it, but definitely OG Converses. Going around. Of course, they're giving us blue hang tags this time around. Nike love to kind of switch up and flip flop when they're gonna give us the actual off-white branding on the footbed. But of course, you can see the 10 here, pink footbed, pink sole, and of course the signature off-white branding in the inside, man. Very quick, very easy review. On these guys, of course, you got the pink laces, hot pink laces with the white swoosh laces there. That's a really dope shoe overall, man. All right, I think this is definitely one of the more slept-on pairs of the original 10 collection. But I like them, man. Your Team Red family gang around here, orange, red, pink, it don't matter to me. I love it, man. Let's go ahead and get into those closing thoughts, gang. Alright, YouTube, so man, we back, fresh out the detailed description, man. I want y'all to let me know, man, how y'all feel about these, man. Nico, what you think about these guys right here?
You know what, these are fresh. I don't know if I was feeling the pink at first, but they kind of grew on me over time. And I think, especially with the black laces, putting them in, they'd be perfect to rock with any, winter outfit, even during the summer especially.
My man already trying to get saucy on y'all with the laces over here, man. But I definitely have to agree. Like I said, any colorway in the red family, pink, orange, red, fuchsia, it don't even matter. You know what I'm saying? That's probably one of the same colors, pink. Whatever. I'm your boy Q the Flu, we with it around here. You know what I'm saying? I think these are cold. I think that it's very rare that you get a pink hyped shoe. That you can really like, a lot of real men wear pink around here. A lot of men be kind of on the fence with wearing the pink or whatnot. I think this is a really, subtle, kind of color, especially when the spring and summer come around. Cargo pants and all that coming back. Throw these joints on, man. Maybe even switch up the socks. throw the black socks underneath here.
Oh yeah,
you know,
they'd be fresh.
With the black laces, man, you might be working with something, man, just in the summertime, and really set these joints off right, man. I definitely can't wait, you know, to rock these joints when the spring comes around. We all know around here in Chicago, that winter getting real over here. It's all about the boot game. Shoes go up, you know what I'm saying? So, you'll probably be figuring out the on feets, you know, some little area in the cribs, just so I can get y'all that look. But man, these are definitely fire, man. Y'all let me know in the description, man. How y'all feeling about these on flies, man? The resale for these things aren't really going too high, man. Probably one of the lowest resale price, you know, margins that you'll probably find for an off-white shoe.
Oh, yeah.
You know, right now. It'd be interesting to see if that kind of fluctuates as we get closer to the spring and summer months. You know what I'm saying? So if you're really looking for these joints, right now be the time for you to go ahead and hop on them. You know what I'm saying? Because I can't see these staying as low as like the 280s, 250. I think you can probably get a pair of these for like 250, especially the smaller sizes. Usually the smaller sizes are doing like crazy numbers, but right now, man, that's like the worst, you know, price that you can, the worst prices on the smaller size that you can find right now, man. So, you know, if you're looking for these guys, make sure you go ahead and get them, man. But as always, y'all let me know how y'all feel about them in that comment box. I would love to hear your opinion. But it's your boy Q the Flu, my boy Nico in the building. You already know we over here at Flu Gang TV, and you already know how we rocking. Gang, 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 gang.
This Chicago, nigga.